Welcome to our tutorial on how to turn on calls notifications on Instagram. If you're looking to stay updated with calls from your followers, or even from everyone, then you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Once you're in, tap on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up the menu options. Now, tap on Notifications from the menu list. This will bring you to a page where you can customize your notification settings. Scroll down and tap on Calls. Here, you will be able to adjust your call notification preferences. You have two options to choose from profile you follow, or from everyone. Select the option that best fits your preference, and there you have it. You've successfully turned on calls notifications on Instagram. Now you can stay connected and never miss a call from your followers or anyone else. Thank you for watching and happy scrolling.